Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to create videos that instantly grab attention and explain ideas clearly, then whiteboard animation is one of the most powerful formats you can use today. From YouTube content to product promotions and online teaching, animated explainer videos help you communicate faster and keep viewers watching longer. That's exactly why so many creators and marketers are turning to Instadoodle. It's designed to help beginners and professionals turn simple ideas into engaging animated videos without needing design skills or complicated software. But when people decide to get started, they naturally want to understand how everything comes together, what you receive when you begin, and what additional options are available to expand your video creation possibilities. So in this video, we'll go through the complete Instadoodle pricing breakdown, including the main offer and every upsell, along with what you get at each level so you can clearly see how everything fits together. Means this video is all about the pricing of Instadoodle and all of its upsells. If you want to watch the complete detailed review, we've already created that. You'll find the link in the description below, okay? Let's start with what you get when you first start using Instadoodle. First, click the link in the description below. This will be automatically redirected to the official website where you can see the main offer and everything that's included. So, at the front end, there are 2 lifetime options available with a one-time payment with no monthly fees. The first option starts at $37 one time. With this, you can create unlimited whiteboard animation videos using a simple drag-and-drop editor that works in any language. It includes multiple animation styles, automatic audio sync with slides, custom transitions, and AI visual styles like caricature, cartoon, and realistic. You also get a built-in image editor with background remover, ready-made project templates, drawing hand styles, a large library of doodle elements, AI credits, HD video export, and free updates with support, okay? Then, if you want the best visual impact and more creative flexibility, then the color support plan is the smarter choice. With the $67 one-time option, you unlock color element generation along with all the core features. This makes your videos more eye-catching, more professional, and better suited for marketing, YouTube content, and client projects. Color visuals naturally grab attention faster and help your message stand out compared to basic black and white animations. Since it's a lifetime payment with no recurring cost, choosing the color version gives you more creative power from the beginning without needing to upgrade later. If you're serious about creating engaging and modern animated videos, this is the option I personally recommend starting with, okay? Now that you know what you get at the main level, let's move ahead and see what additional upsells are available and what extra benefits they offer. So let's talk about the first upsell, and that is Instadoodle Pro. And honestly, this is where the platform becomes truly powerful for serious creators. This upgrade is a lifetime offer for a one-time payment of $97. It's designed for people who want higher quality videos, more creative control, and the ability to use their creations professionally. With the Pro version, you unlock 3,000 plus additional premium doodle elements and characters. These include new poses, props, and visual variations that help your videos look more dynamic and unique. Instead of repeating the same visuals again and again, you get a much wider creative library that makes your content stand out instantly. Then, you also get 8 new drawing hands, including different styles and looks. This may sound small, but visually, it makes your videos feel more natural and professional, especially when creating content for different audiences or niches. Then one of the biggest upgrades is 2K and 4K video export. Higher resolution means sharper visuals, better clarity, and a more premium look overall. If you plan to upload videos on YouTube and use them for marketing or deliver projects to clients, this level of quality makes a huge difference in how professional your work appears. Then it also gives you turbocharged AI speed with priority queue access. This means your projects render faster and you don't have to wait in line. Faster processing saves time, especially if you plan to create videos regularly or for client work. Then another powerful feature is the ability to generate 4 variations for every AI element instead of just one. This gives you more creative choices instantly. You can test styles, pick the best design, and produce better-looking videos without extra effort. Then, the Pro version gives you access to upload your own fonts. You'll also be able to upload your own custom fonts, which helps you match branding, improve presentation quality, and create more personalized videos. And lastly, one of the most valuable benefits, the commercial license. This allows you to legally sell the videos you create. Here, you can see many professional animators charge $200 per minute for creating this type of video for clients. So, with the Pro upgrade of Instadoodle, you get the commercial license that allows you to legally offer these services yourself. On top of all that, Pro users receive ongoing additions of new doodle elements and props, which means your creative library keeps growing without extra cost. Okay? So, if you plan to use Instadoodle seriously, whether for YouTube, marketing, or earning from client work, then the Pro upgrade gives you more quality, more speed, more creative freedom, and real income potential. Instead of limiting what you can do, it unlocks the full experience from the beginning. That's why upgrading to Instadoodle Pro is not just an add-on, it's the step that turns a good tool into a complete professional solution. All right? Now, let's move to the second upsell of Instadoodle, and that is AI Wizard. This one is all about speed, automation, and effortless video creation. This is a one-time payment of $67, and it transforms the way you create videos by handling the most time-consuming parts automatically. What normally takes hours, including scripting, voiceover creation, visuals, and syncing, can now be done in seconds. So, the first major advantage is the one-click script creator. If you've ever struggled with what to say in a video or faced writer's block, this feature solves that instantly. The AI is trained on high-performing sales and educational content, so it understands how to structure messages that grab attention, keep viewers engaged, and encourage action. Whether you want a YouTube video, marketing content, training tutorial, or creative explainer, the script is generated for you. Then, it comes with automatic video creation with perfectly synced slides. Instead of manually choosing images, matching visuals, and adjusting timing, the AI handles everything. It selects relevant visuals, arranges slides professionally, and syncs them perfectly with the script and audio. The result is a polished, ready-to-use video without technical effort. Then, another powerful feature is professional AI voiceovers. Not everyone wants to record their own voice, and recording quality audio can be difficult. The AI Wizard includes natural-sounding voices powered by an advanced language engine that understands tone, emotion, and emphasis. You can choose from multiple voice styles and even create multilingual videos in 40+ languages, allowing you to reach a global audience easily. Then, you also get instant project creation, AI-generated visuals, text, and voice combined into one smooth workflow. Instead of handling multiple tools or editing steps, everything happens inside one system. So, in simple terms, AI Wizard removes the biggest barriers to video creation, including writing, recording, designing, and syncing, and turns the entire process into a fast, automated experience. If your goal is to save time, create more videos consistently, and produce professional results without extra effort, this upgrade makes the process incredibly easy. Instead of spending hours building each project manually, you can focus on ideas while the system does the heavy work for you. Okay? Now, if you're feeling confused about what to choose, here's the simple path I personally recommend for Instadoodle. So, start with the Color Support Lifetime Plan. From my experience, colored visuals instantly makes videos look more engaging and professional, especially if you're creating content for YouTube, marketing, or client work. It gives you that extra visual edge right from day one. Then, if you want the best overall setup, go for both upsells. Instadoodle Pro gives you more creative freedom, higher quality video export, faster performance, and the commercial license, which is a big advantage if you ever want to create videos professionally or offer services. And AI Wizard saves a huge amount of time by handling scripts, voiceovers, and video creation automatically. It makes the whole process smooth and stress-free. Alright? So, honestly, if you want my genuine suggestion, then the full combination gives the best experience. But if you decide to choose only one upgrade, then Pro is the must-have because it unlocks the real professional power of the platform. Okay? So, you can check out Instadoodle using the official link in the description below. That's where you'll see all the details and access everything easily. Alright? So, if this video helped you, make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.